How to our minds. A chamber can daily knowledge. My name is Pagdisha. I study in Children K School Grade 5. Today we're going to learn about the United Nations. Part 5. In the previous video, we learned about the Secretariat and the Social and Economic Council. In this video, we are going to learn about the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice settles disputes between various countries. It includes 15 judges from different countries who are elected for a period of 9 years. They are elected by both the General Assembly and even the Security Council. The International Court of Justice is based in the Hague in the Netherlands. The Trusteeship Council. This organ was formed to help colonials that were under the rule of another country. It helped the colonial ruled countries to form self-government. With this mission fulfilled, the Trusteeship Council suspended its operation on November 1994. However, now the Council meets